Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here in this video number 7 of Dart series, we are going to learn how we can use if statement. Remember that this is very simple, like C or some other programming language. We say if statement dot dart simple void main like this. Here if we have a one variable, I say n1 equal to 10, then I say int n2 equal to 20 like this, and I used to if I say n1 greater than n2, then I say print n1 is greater than n2. Remember, I can run it. I say dart run 7, and you see we do not have, because it's a less number, because not greater than this. So I say it is 40. So now it is greater than 2, and once again we have n1 is greater than n2. I can use else also like this. I say print, I say n2 is greater than n1. Remember, now I can change it to 10. This time you will have n2 is greater than n1. Remember? So this syntax is very simple and similar to C language, similar to Java language, similar to C++ language, similar to JavaScript also. In all the programming language, we have a same kind of structure. We put here condition. If condition is true, the first part of the statement execute. Otherwise, the second part of the statement execute. Remember that. So this is the Boolean type of value. If I say 1 here, if I say 1 here like this, what is this? So this is a number, but it take a bool value. So if I say true like this, true means this block is always true. So this block would not be execute because it's always true. So it showing you that this would not be execute. Remember, if I say false, so now this statement would not execute, only this will execute. So it's also saying that no need of writing this. So you see how smart the compiler of Dart is. You see how smart. So this is the Boolean statement. So if I say n1 greater than n2, that means after checking it's become false. So this statement will execute. After checking, if this is true, then it will run. If I have another variable, I say n3 equal to 50 like this. Suppose I want to check among these. So what I will do, I will say and n1 greater than n3. Remember this one. Why? Because I want to put AND operator. Similar to this, I can add OR operator also like this. Remember, AND and OR is supported, but here I have to use AND operator because here the condition is if n1 is greater than n2 and n1 is greater than n3, then it's greater. If I want to put more if statement, because I have to check another condition also here, so I say if n2 greater than n1 and n2 greater than n3. Remember, so again this is true. Else we have clear that print n3 is greater. So I have to remove all these things from this like this. So if I run it once again, you see we have to put semicolon also because it's error. If I run it, you see n3 is greater. Why? Because 50 is greater than all these two values. So you see, like this way you can use if statement in Dart programming language, just similar to other programming language like Java, C++ and JavaScript. If you know any programming language, it's very simple to use if in Dart also. So you can use like this. If else, you can use multiple conditions. If here, then else if, then else. So depend on you how to use it. Do practice, do mastery, you will learn more. So if you understand now how to use if statement in Dart programming language, please do subscribe, like this video, share to your friend, and thank you for watching this video.